Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shawnee Love 33. Happy New Year's. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm coming to you guys with a product review and a sorta wash day routine, kind of sorta. Basically, I got sent a product from Influencer the other day. That's a pretty new product that I'm excited to try out. As you can see, I have my hair. Uh, it's out. This is stretched, dirty hair that needs to be handled, but we're going to handle that when I get into the product. So I received from Influencer the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. If you guys don't know what Influencer is a sample site. Basically, it's kind of focused on social media. It has a lot of different brands and stuff that you can get. A lot of makeup, hair care, skin care, food. They even have dog food, like baby items and stuff like that. Basically, it's a site where you get free samples. And one thing I love about Influencer is you get full size samples, not like the little mini trial sizes and stuff like that. And the only stipulation is you just have to disclose that you got the product sent to you to review from Influencer. And you just have to say, you give your honest review of the products. There's no faking or anything like that. I've been a member of Influencer since about 2011, I think. So I still love them. This is my most recent box. The last box that I got, I'm trying to get into the frame. The last box that I got from them was actually I got cups. I got coffee cups from Chinette. They were like the designer take to go coffee cups, which I still love them. They're really good. But yeah, so I got this the other day and it came at a perfect time because I do need to do something to my hair, as you guys can see. And the Wash Day Delight product, this is what it looks like. It's a pretty hefty sized product. It's pretty big. I don't know. You probably can't see that because of the glare. But it's a pretty big size. It is 16.9 fluid ounces, 500 milliliters. And with the Wash Day Delight, it says, my card, it says, our revolutionary new water to foam shampoo does the unexpected. Provides a deep clean fast without stripping or added tangles for a delightful wash day. Lifts away buildup, doesn't strip hair, faster detangling. And the how to use, it says wet hair, use the pointed tip to target the scalp. Gently massage into scalp and hair while working lather through the mid links to the ends. Rinse well and follow with your favorite Carol's Daughter conditioner. So I looked on the website. You can get this product on the website. I don't know if it's sold on Ulta and all that kind of stuff. It retails for $12.99, but it is currently on sale for $10.39, which this is actually, I think this is a pretty decent size for this. It looks like a pretty decent size. I did watch a couple videos yesterday, so some people did say you don't need a lot of this. I think it's cool that it's called a micellar water shampoo because we love micellar water, and I can kind of see the consistency in this bottle that kind of reminds me of micellar water. Also, it has the nozzle tip or whatever, so that's pretty interesting. Let me just take this plastic off of this. All right, so this is a clearer look at what it looks like without that on it. Can you see that? Is it focusing? I don't know if it's focusing or not. But yeah, so reimagine your wash day with our Wash to Foam shampoo made with aloe. Our liquid micellar technology acts like a magnet to attract and lift away buildup for a thorough scalp and hair cleanse without leaving hair feeling stripped. The targeted liquid formula provides easy scalp access as it instantly flows through hair and transforms into a gentle foam lather without harsh friction. It I can't read. It effortlessly works throughout, minimizing tangles and quickly rinses clean, so there's no added weight from residue left behind. After one wash, scalp and hair feel clean and hair feels soft and moisturized. One wash changes everything. So yeah. And also like the little Carol's Daughter description that's on the back of all the packages, and it says a note from Lisa: be like water, be fluid and flow around the obstacles. So I do like that it has this nozzle. It's really nice, a little screw top. So let me see what it smells like. Okay, I'm very sensitive with scents and stuff, so it smells. So it smells like the Mario Badescu cucumber cleanser or whatever. I don't know. It smells like cucumbers to me. It doesn't. It smells like cucumber, like facial products or whatever. I don't know. It's not a strong smell, but it doesn't really smell like aloe to me. It smells very cucumbery, like cucumber. You know the cucumber melon lotion that everybody used to use from Bath and Body Works back in the day? Kind of smells like that. But anyway, I'm gonna go and wet my hair and start the shampooing process, and I will be back once I do that to let you guys know. So I will be back. Bye. All right, so I wet my hair as instructed, and you can already see the shrinkage going because you know we love shrinkage. But now I'm going to apply the shampoo. That doesn't sound right. I know I said that. I'm gonna apply the shampoo. First I'm gonna section off my hair, cause what I typically do when I wash my hair is I section off my hair and I put it into sections. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that like I normally do, and I put my hair into 4 sections every time I wash my hair. Alright, so we have our little nozzle open. So I'm just going to apply this to my scalp. Oh, it kind of comes out kind of fast. But it says that when it meets the water, it turns to foam. I don't want to use too much because I don't really like using a ton of shampoo. I'm not really seeing the foaming. Maybe I need to put some more. Okay, I hear the suds. I'm starting to hear the suds, but okay, so I think I'm kind of getting there. I guess I was expecting a lot more suds and foam, which I guess is why I'm not really seeing a lot. But I am really, you know, focusing on my scalp and stuff, since that's like the important part is to focus on the scalp. Definitely gonna do some more working on it. But one thing I will say so far is it's not it doesn't feel like it's drying out my hair. It really doesn't feel like it's drying out my hair. My hair was dry. Y'all saw my hair when I came on camera. My hair looked like you could fucking start a fire by rubbing it too hard. So it doesn't feel like super dry or anything like that. So that's a plus. That is a plus. I like that. It doesn't feel that way, because that would really bother me. If it did, it would really bother me if it was that way. But okay. So now we're on to the last section. Ooh, I forgot I had a clip back here. Really forgot I had a clip at the back of my head. All right. right, y'all. So I'm about to go rinse this out. And once I rinse this out, I'm going to come back and I'm going to let you guys know how it feels pre-rinse. Like after I rinse this out, I'm going to let you guys know how it feels on my hair pre-rinse, and I'm going to put in my conditioner and all that kind of stuff. And then we'll get into a final review. So I'll be back again. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I have rinsed the shampoo from my hair. This is my wet hair. And I will say, guys, I didn't think I was getting any like lather or anything because I didn't see the foam. Once I got like under the running water, I could see it better. Um, my hair feels, I don't know how to describe it. It feels very squeaky clean, but it just has this weird kind of texture. Like it doesn't feel like there's a film on it or anything. Like I don't know how to describe it. Like they don't feel dry. Like my hair doesn't feel dry. You see my curls. Um I don't know how to describe it. Like it does not feel dry. It's weird. It just has a weird kind of feel to it, but my hair does feel very clean just running my hands through it. Like I can feel the squeakiness. So it does really clean the hair. My scalp feels very clean. Like my scalp doesn't feel dirty or anything like that. Clear scalp, all those things. So I don't know. It has a very odd feel to it, but it does say to follow up with conditioner. So I don't have any Carol's Daughter conditioners besides my deep conditioner. I mean, not my deep conditioner, my leave-in conditioners. So I'm gonna use the good old tried and true Aussie Moist. And once I rinse out my conditioner, I'm just gonna give you guys like my final thoughts overall on the product. But so far, I do feel like it cleansed my scalp. I do feel like it really cleaned my scalp. My scalp doesn't feel dirty or anything like that. It does feel very clean and renewed, which I really needed because my hair has been going through it lately. This winter and all that nonsense my hair's just been going through, but it felt really good. It didn't feel drying or anything like that. Like I said, my hair does not feel dry. I don't feel like I need a whole lot of TLC or anything like that. I don't feel like I need a deep conditioner or something or anything. Because a lot of times when I shampoo my hair, sometimes I feel like I need a deep conditioner after because it dries out my hair so much. But this really, my hair does not feel dry at all. And I know like it's still wet, but it doesn't feel dry. Like my scalp doesn't feel dry or anything like that. And it was pretty easy to rinse out too. I did watch a lot of videos before I used it. I watched a couple of other people's reviews and stuff, and a lot of people kind of mentioned not really using a lot of product. A lot of people had the mistake of, oh my God, why is my conditioner coming out? Oh my God, my conditioner isn't coming out. Hold on. A lot of people had issues with, wait a darn tootin' minute, a rootin' tootin' minute. A lot of people had an issue with them using too much of the product, and they said it was very hard to rinse out because they used so much of it, which is why I wanted to avoid doing that. I think this is caked in here, which is why I really made it a point to avoid using a ton of the product. But I started to get worried when I wasn't seeing the okay, it was just clogged. My nozzle was just clogged. But I was kind of getting worried when I wasn't seeing as much what do you call it, as much foam as other people had in their reviews. But I think they had a ton of foam in the initial application because they used a lot of the product, which I didn't want to use a lot because I don't like using a lot of shampoo on my hair anyway. And I'm one of those people that I tend to like to focus on my actual what's this thing called? I like to focus the shampoo on my scalp versus my actual like hair, like my actual strands. But it did say on the packaging to run it through, like, to run the product through your hair shaft to the ends, which I did, and my ends don't feel dry either. So honestly, I don't know. Like I like it. It doesn't seem too bad. It might be something I incorporate. I do like the idea that it's a micellar water for your hair. You know, that's pretty cool. So you don't have to worry about doing all the extra stuff with, you know, washing your hair. So I like that. I'm always looking for new shampoos and stuff that don't really dry my scalp out. or dry out my hair. I tend to get a really dry scalp sometimes, so it's great to have an alternative that doesn't completely dry out my hair. So I might be using this some more in the future. Definitely, yeah. I don't know. Shout out to influencer and Carol's daughter for putting me on, for allowing me to try the product because I think I'm going to be using it a lot more. But yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and finish up my hair. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And, if you guys want to see more, if you guys want to see more hair care-esque videos, also let me know. I'll be willing to give you guys some of that too. But that's going to be it for me. I'm going to finish up my hair and maybe I'll insert some in clips of what it looks like afterwards. But I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching this review. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.